What an absolute banger day today. I'm going to go over the two trades that I took today. Risk management is key. I made a little bit over $31,000, and this is after commission as well. I took two trades today, one on Qs, one on Tesla. Our risk management is the best out there. This is the whole reason why we're still profitable to this day after all of these years, because I understand that profitability is all about just managing your risk so your winners are able to compound. So as you guys can see, we're starting off this month with a 50% win rate, and today is an outlier. We can go to R multiple for today. You guys can see up a little bit over 6R, minus 0.5R on Tesla, plus almost 7R on QQQ. You guys are going to watch the trade live right now, and then we're going to go over it right after that. 430s, 20s, 10s. I'm in this. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go now. If not, it's just gonna bounce. Stop loss is gonna be 415.36. Contract's at 3%. React and just fall right here. Retest, fall. Now our stop loss gonna be at 36. Okay, I'm out. Minus 4%. It's gonna retest it and fall, but I only lost 3%. I don't know. It says 4, but I only lost 3. Watch it. It's gonna try and just pop. If they go green or red, that'd be insane. Green to red, 625. I'm in this. Stop loss gonna be right under it. That 80, the 88. Contracts at 7%, 8%. I want this over the 40s. I'm not gonna take anything off until we hit 40s. Either stop loss or those 40s break. I just need 40s break. There we go. I'm selling some here. Half hour. Take a little more off right here as we're bringing this high. Nice pop up. I know if I put my trailing stop at 40, it's gonna break under and then go right back above.
Yeah, with you out.
Oh my gosh, 626. See, if I put my stop loss to those 40s, I knew that was gonna fucking happen, bro. Take some off right here at the 626 break. Holy cow. We're just them. Bro, our risk to reward is insane. I hope you guys realize why risk to reward is so important. Like, it's insane. Fucking pay me 80% now, bro. Oh my gosh, 85. Okay, whoa, we're taking some off here.
Going to that previous high.
We're taking some off here, baby. All right, so the first trade that we took today was Tesla. This 415 to the downside. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, this is looking really good because this was weaker than everything else in the market, and this was setting up super nice. We were rejecting this 425. We were coming down. It's looking weak. We had this level right here at this 415. Come to the 1 minute time frame here, and as you guys can see, we got faked out there at that 415. Contracts went like 4%, and then it started bouncing. We got out almost immediately when it popped right up, as you guys saw on the live recording, and we lost around 3%. Tesla also has 0 DTE today, and these contracts were going to move a lot more if we got, to around like 414, etc., but it didn't, and that was it. We were done on Tesla because it just never reached 415 or that 425. Now QQQ, I started to set up intraday. I was really looking for an intraday setup, and we reacted right at my zone at that 625. You guys can go to the 1 hour time frame here. You guys can see where I got the zone at. It's just reactive right in the middle of that area, as well as over here. So that's why I had the zone in the first place. And we started coming up. I was seeing if we're either going to reject that or bounce off of that. And when we rejected this for the first time intraday, and then came down and then came right back up, as long as we held this 20s area, it was looking strong. Now it did start to slow down, but then this candle kind of held above, and then we went red to green. When we got that red to green, I was looking for a pop above that 625, or technically that 624.95, and I wasn't going to sell anything until we reached above that zone for at least around that 1 to 3. And then when we started popping up, bouncing off that, popping up, bouncing off that, that's when I started selling majority. I think I was like 70% out at this point, 80% out, just because we already got our 1 to 3. And then I just started selling after we got these pops. So we got that 626 break, 627, all the way up to here, right? New pop right there, new pop right there. And then I just left the rest to run until one of my key levels got hit. So right here was one of my key levels around that 28, which is a low of that. If we came down, then the trade is invalid after that, and I'm done. But I was like 97% out here. And then I literally just had like 2% of my position left. It was honestly just for like a vanity metric. I was trying to get 100%. I only got to 90%. It was like 92%. So amazing trade there. As you guys saw, plus 7R on that alone, or like close to it. I think it was like 6.9R. But just like that, we're done with the day. Great month so far, honestly. It's definitely an outlier day for sure, just because when do I ever hit 85%, 90% on these contracts? But either way, we still manage our risk so tightly. Tesla honestly is very impressive because we were only losing around 3% on Tesla alone, which is crazy. And that's what allows our winners to compound. Because if I was risking 20% on these trades, then my profits and my compounding would be a lot less than it is right now. But if you guys want to trade live with me, the link's in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.